So as you may know, in Melbourne, coffee is a big deal. So today I'm going to do a coffee making course.
When you start making coffee and people enjoying it, you're gonna love doing it. You're gonna love making it. You're gonna love making people happy. Trust me, you're gonna love making people happy. Watch. Cold milk on the edge of the glass. Plenty. Watch. And then a bit of froth. And that's your shot macchiato. Okay? Flat white. For a flat white. Just for a flat white. Just put it in the middle. Just put it in the middle. Don't worry about the rest. See? Flat white. Let's go.